In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Patreon pricing. If you're creating membership tiers on Patreon, one of the most important parts is choosing a price that feels clear, intentional, and easy for your audience to understand. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and how to set up a tier so you can start building your membership structure with confidence. To begin, head over to your Patreon creator dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the membership tab. This is where Patreon organizes your tiers, benefits, and pricing options. If you're new to this section, take a moment to get familiar with the layout, because this is the main area you'll use whenever you want to manage your memberships. After you open the membership section, click the option that says Add Tier. This opens the tier creation menu where you'll start building a new membership level for your supporters. Think of a tier as an offer you're presenting to your audience. Each tier should have a clear purpose, so before moving too quickly, it helps to know what kind of supporter this tier is meant for and what value they'll receive. Next, enter a numerical value for your monthly price. This is the amount members will pay each month to join that tier. Make sure the price matches the value you plan to offer, and keep it simple so it's easy to understand at a glance. Then give the tier a clear name. A good tier name should be short, recognizable, and descriptive enough that supporters immediately understand the level they're choosing. Clear naming also makes your membership page look more polished and easier to browse. Once the price and tier name are in place, move on to defining the perks. Here you'll add the specific benefits members get when they join this tier. Focus on value-driven perks that make the membership feel worthwhile. Patreon may also show recommended options, which can be useful if you want a quick starting point or need ideas for how to structure your offer. As you add perks, try to be specific and concise so supporters know exactly what they're signing up for. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your Patreon pricing tier is set up. As a final tip, always review your tier from a supporter's point of view. Make sure the price, name, and perks all work together in a way that feels clear and compelling. A well-structured tier can make a big difference in helping people decide to join and support.